It's hard to argue with the fact that the unique city of Venice is beautiful at any time of year. You might say it must look completely different in January. Friends, you're absolutely right, because this is the Venice of Vietnam, located on Phu Quoc Island. Hello everyone! Today on the Kofe-travel channel, Grand World, the city that never sleeps. The Grand World Resort is located in the north of Phu Quoc Island. Although it only opened at the end of 2020, it has quickly become a must-see for every tourist visiting the Pearl Island. Spanning over 85 hectares, the complex impresses with its majestic architecture inspired by European cities. From the very first glance, you'll see vibrant buildings with colorful decorations that instantly create a festive atmosphere. The River Venice, or Lake of Love, is considered one of the best imitations of the famous canals of Venice in Italy. Grand World Phu Quoc has 23 different zones. Here you'll take countless stunning photos in stunning locations that are literally everywhere. Among them, the Contemporary Art Park is definitely worth a mention, featuring a collection of unique works of art by sculptors in a natural setting. It all looks incredibly cool. There are 55 art installations in the park. This unique structure is called the Legend of Bamboo, or the Bamboo House. It is assembled from 42,000 bamboo stalks and is the largest in Vietnam. The resort streets are filled with entertainment venues. Countless cafes and restaurants stand side by side with a variety of hotels. There are entire aisles of food stalls featuring the national cuisines of various countries. Grand World is known as the city that never sleeps. It hosts vibrant festivals and never-ending music. Life comes alive with darkness. Naturally, its epicenter is, as expected, located near the picturesque waterfront. Every day at 9:30 p.m. a 30-minute light and music show Colors of Venice takes place on the water, attracting tourists from all over the island. However, Grand World is far from just a picturesque urban paradise. It also boasts wonderful beaches with white sand, clear water and well-developed infrastructure. Yes, the center of the beach is quite crowded, but as always, just a short stroll along the shoreline reveals uncrowded areas. Of course, sometimes you come across some truly eerie scenes. I've never understood what makes people crowd together so much, when there's practically no one else within a couple of 100 meters. On the beachfront, there are luxury hotels with vast green areas. The beach infrastructure is usually theirs, but you can always lay out on your own mat for free. Of course, there's a wide selection of eateries. I'd say there's something for every taste and budget, but on the beach, prices are rarely affordable. This concludes our film. If you enjoyed my work, please support it. Like, subscribe and leave comments. Thank you all so much for watching and see you next time.